My name is Brian. And I'm here to tell you about best 2018 toys you've got to see. At any time, just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, build a great piece of Lego Harry Potter merchandise. Featuring Hogwarts Great Hall with house banners, tower with movable spiral staircase, potions room and treasure room. Includes 10 minifigures, Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, Draco Malfoy, and more, by LEGO. Number 2, when kids wave at him, or feed him his treats, Baby Dino responds with 35 plus sound and motion combinations, by furReal friends. Number 3, by littleBits. Choose your favorite toys now, just click here for full 100 list. Number 4, Amazon exclusive, Hasbro Gaming, Don't Step in It game, Unicorn Edition, by Hasbro. Number 5, 24-piece Pretend Play, Pet Vet Set with Plush Dog and Cat, and Fun Veterinarian Role-Playing Accessories, by Melissa and Doug. Number 6, just like real pets, Scruff-a-Luvs love to be washed and groomed. The more time you spend caring for them, the cuter they become, by littleLive. Number 7, Exploding Kittens is a card game for people who are into kittens, and explosions, and laser beams, and sometimes ghosts, by Exploding Kittens LLC. Number 8, build the legendary Kessel Run Millennium Falcon from the Solo, a Star Wars movie, by LEGO. Number 9, the littleBits are interactive toys that light up fun and friendship with their rainbow light-up tails, glowing eyes, and quirky sounds and phrases, by Mattel. Number 10, by Melissa and Doug.